Okay guys, this is how to withdraw on this baby Dogecoin Telegram bot. Okay, so all you need to do is to click on withdraw. After you click on withdraw, you go to any wallet of your choice. Okay, the minimum withdrawal is 100 million baby Dogecoin. Okay, so you need to complete at least 5 tasks for you to unlock the withdrawal. Okay, so after that, then you place your withdrawal. Okay, you go to any wallet of your choice, copy the baby Dogecoin wallet address. So now I'm going to show you how to copy the Dogecoin wallet address. Okay, so now let's go to my Bybit wallet account. Okay, when you land to any wallet of your choice, click on deposit. After that, you are going to see something like this. Then click on deposit crypto. So you come to this search bar and search on baby Doge. Okay, you see it here. Then click on it. Okay, you are going to see something like this. BSC BIP20. Then click on it. Then this is the wallet address. Then you copy it. Okay, after you copy it, then you go back to the Telegram bot and paste it there. Okay, so now let's go back to the Telegram bot. So after you copy it, when you copy it finish, so as you come back, you see this place here, you see my own is locked. I have already pasted my own. So after you are copying it, you come and paste it here, then put any amount of your choice, then click on withdraw. You see I need to complete 5 tasks to withdraw. Okay, so you see this place here, you are seeing task. So this is where you complete the task, okay, before you can withdraw. But let me show you the withdrawal that I have already withdrawn. Okay, so you see here, have you seen it? I have withdrawn 700 million, then 200 million. You see withdrawal successful. It went to my wallet. That's how you have to withdraw on it. Okay guys, so I wish you happy cash out.